Hi everyone and welcome to our second science lesson this week. We continue to discuss the Unit 1, Human Organs and Systems. Now in this lesson we are going to, the objective is going to be finding out about diseases associated with the main human body systems. And the main human body systems are the respiratory, digestive, excretory, nervous, and circulatory. Um, um, Most of the diseases, if not all, that attack the body will attack different systems of the body. So we are going to look at the diseases that are linked with the different systems of the body. And here we have taken only the main human systems. We start with the respiratory system. Now, the function of respiratory system is it's responsible for breathing, gas exchange internally and externally, speech, and phonation. Now, the diseases that are likely to be associated with the respiratory system include asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is called COPD, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, lung cancer, cystic fibrosis, bronchitis, and pneumonia. All these diseases are connected with the respiratory system. They will only attack the respiratory system. Now, the next system is that we are looking at is the digestive system. Now, the function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. That is breaking down the food into smaller substances and absorbing it into the blood stream. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small molecules, which are then absorbed into the body. Now, the diseases that are connected with this system will be gastroesophageal reflux disease, which is GERD, peptic ulcer disease, PUD, and gastritis. We have stomach flu, it's also connected with the digestive system, gluten sensitivity and celiac diseases, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, constipation, and hemorrhoids. All these diseases will be connected with the digestive system. Now, the next system that we are going to look at is the excretory system. The work of the excretory system is the elimination or the removal of the waste products of metabolism or whatever we have eaten, and to drain the body of used up and broken down components. The diseases that are likely to be found in the excretory system or are connected with the excretory system are uremia. Under this condition, the urea accumulation is comparatively high, renal failure, renal calculi or kidney stones, nephritis or Bright's disease, hypertension due to renin secretion, renal tubular acidosis, diabetes insipidus, and oedema. All these diseases will attack the excretory system alongside with the organs in it. Now, the next one that we want to look at is the nervous system. Now, the nervous system The work is maintains internal order within the body by coordinating the activities of muscles and organs. It receives input from sense organs and trigger. Now the diseases here will be Alzheimer's disease, Bell's palsy, cerebral palsy, epilepsy, motor neuron disease, multiple sclerosis, neurofibromatosis, and Parkinson's disease. All these will be connected with the nervous system. And then the last system that we are going to look at is the circulatory system. Now, the circulatory system, the main function of the circulatory system, this is where we have the blood, and the main work of this is where we have the heart, and the main function of the heart is to pump blood. So this system deliver oxygen to the body tissues whilst simultaneously removing carbon dioxide produced by metabolism or the food we eat. The blood is the one that transports oxygen and even nutrients. So this is within the circulatory system. The diseases that are connected here are atherosclerosis, heart attack, mitral valve prolapse, mitral valve regurgitation, mitral stenosis, angina pectoris, arrhythmia, and dysrhythmia. And then we have the cardiac ischemia. Cardiac, that is something to do with the heart. Now, so those are the diseases that are connected with those five main those five main systems of the body. And with that, I hope you can now connect the diseases. Even when you're feeling bad, you would know which system of your body is being attacked. Now, the next thing that I would want you to do is to carry out some assignments. So you'll go to Google Docs, and then you will find a table, and the table will be is just listing the five main body systems. So you will have to list at least 5 diseases that you will find in each of the body systems, and that would be all. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson, and you can get to work now.